From vlogging to acting, sayranta ang mga kasinatian sa content creator and now actor nga nalakip sa cast sa bagong GMA series nga The World Between Us. Makauban ta karong buntaga, Jericho Arceo. Mayong buntag, Jericho, at welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag din, ma'am. It's an honor to be here.
And we're so happy to have you with us this morning. Jericho, what do you love about mornings ba? What do you always look forward to every day?
Well, yun po, paggising po sa umaga is a blessing in itself po, no? So, yeah, that's a blessing, ma'am. And coffee. Coffee din pala.
Yes, oo, totoo talaga yan. Kape talaga. And Jericho, you're known to be a very talented content creator. May we know what inspired you to start your own YouTube channel?
It was more of a, parang account ko lang po nung college, tapos pampalibang din po. And then, initially, my mom just pushed me to make content sa culture ko po, Kapampangan. And unexpectedly po, parang nagka-traction. So, tinuloy-tuloy ko po while I was teaching din po.
And Jericho, since you made a lot of really good content already, do you have a particular vlog ba in your channel na pinaka-favorite mo talaga?
Siguro po nung nagsisimula ako kasi that was really one of my, well, I consider blessing kasi I didn't expect it. But more on advocate po ako ng kultura namin sa Pampanga, sa mga Kapampangan po. Kaya, yeah, that was one of my favorite because yun po, roots ko po yun.
At ngayon na you ventured into acting, how do you differentiate vlogging ba from acting?
It's really different and it's really serious work, but at the same time sobrang saya po, no? Nakaka-starstruck po.
At ngayon na makikita ka na namin dito sa The World Between Us, ano pa yung mga aabangan namin sa karakter mo dito?
Well, abangan nyo po na sa mga mahilig po, ayan, sa pag-aaral, no? Marami din po siyang content filled with well, it's related to education, school, and you know what I'm saying, drama and comedy. So it's gonna be fun. I hope so. But I really believe na sobrang ganda po. Ganda ng script, ganda po ng lahat po maganda. Starstruck po.
Kumusta naman katrabaho itong mga artists na nasa-starstruck ka? Sila Alden, Jasmine, and Tom.
They're really, good at what they do, yung acting po, and not just actors, but they're really kind people. Sobrang bait pong mga tao and down to earth. So yun po, that's what amazes me as well.
At susuportahan ka din talaga namin at aabangan ka namin dito sa The World Between Us. So please invite all our viewers, Jericho, na manood ng The World Between Us.
Please, abangan nyo po ang The World Between Us this July. It's gonna be crazy. Yun lang po, no words that can describe what I'm feeling, but it's really gonna be great and I hope you watch it.
Thank you so much, Jericho, for joining us this morning. Ingat ka!
Thank you din, ma'am.